start. Okay, so it's dismantling all the six-sided colors. Yes, it's thinking. Yeah. Okay, good. Dismantle it. Are you sure? Okay, then I'm going to make it again. Okay, this is how we dismantle, right? See, this is the consequence. This is the top one. So here's the one, here one, and where's one? Another. So here's the one, right? So we'll make it first this one. Okay, this minus. Now where's another? So here. So this should be here. So I'll drag it like this, and here it comes. And it has center one, and so bring it here. This plus how we make, right? So this is the color. Okay. So this is how we make. And second step is this one. We have to mantle. So this four corners. So this four corners should be mantled like this. And here it comes. So it went up. So here, where's the one? Oh, this is here. So this should be put up here. So what we do like this, back it up, go down. So here's completed, right? So now we're going to make the second one. Okay, we'll make it as fast as we can. So like this, and here it goes. So okay, this made, and except this the one. So this will fit out. So okay, I will use the logarithm. Okay, see here, this completed. Now what comes above? So we'll make here the plus. Okay, here we make plus. So now we will go for the algorithmic. Here it goes. This okay. Here okay. Here we'll move for now the flipping method. So this is how we make it. So everything is set it. So here it goes. We'll see here. This is the magic. Okay. Yeah. See. This is how we make. Thank you. Mwah. Thank you.